Hi, thanks for joining me. Welcome to Nana T. Today we're going to crochet a double crochet. The abbreviation for this is DC. So in our pretend pattern today, it says to chain 20. With the double crochet, I always add 2 chains to the very end. So I've gone ahead and chained 22. So to begin, you're going to want to go in the 3rd chain from the hook, not including the yarn that's on your hook. So 1, 2, 3, you want to go in there. So yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. At this point, you yarn over, you pull through the first 2. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through both. That's your first double crochet. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, 2 loops left on your hook, yarn over, pull through both. Yarn over, go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 hoops. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. So keep going at that, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, so now we have 1 stitch left to do. So let's do that. And then we're just going to count to make sure that we have 20. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So at this point, you want to turn your work, chain 2, yarn over, go into the first stitch. And again, you're going to see the V's on the top. So you want to make sure that you go through both loops. So you're going to yarn over, go through this first stitch. Both loops of the V are on the hook. Yarn over, go through both. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, go through the first 2 hoops, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, yarn over the first 2 loops, yarn over the last 2 hoops. So again, I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so we're on to our last stitch. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over through. We're going to start that again. And that's okay. That's going to happen a lot. So if it does, just take a deep breath and start over with that stitch. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. So this is what it should look like. We're going to just count. I can't stress enough how important it is to count to make sure that you do have the right number of stitches. And again, we should have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's what it should look like. We're just going to finish off. Yarn over, pull the yarn all the way through, and pull. So that is your double crochet. I really like this stitch because it's nice and high. It's great for blankets. It's great for so many things. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you next time.